Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing about the Python variables. So, uh, I- so now in this class we are discussing about the Python variables. So, variables are the Python likely name like a boxes. You store your data. Can you can put the value in them and use later. The variables are like is supposed to be you have a box to store anything on the box and you take anything from the box. The box is like storing a data. So like that the variable worked. So first of all, yeah, creating a variable creating a variable creating a variable is a name equal to something. uh yeah yeah is so a is a alex, some alex here, and it is a string. So the string value is stored in the name variable. So and a is equal to some 12. So it is the integer. So integer value will be stored in the age variable, and after that height equal to 1.56. So it is the float variable, and float here. The float value is stored in the height variable, and after that is student equal to something true here. Yeah, true here. I will print my name here. Print name. Print is so I will run this program right now. Alex and 12 is the both outputs of this particular program, and also I will print my height here, and print so this is the output. So in that so in this so I want to print the alex string. So I will print the name here, because the alex is the string which was stored in the name variable, and I want to print my age. So in the age variable, the 12 is the integer which was stored in the age variable. So like that, similarly, the height and student also. So I will run this program right now. So it will be so as a output alex 12 1.56 and true here. And so after that I tell some rules here for the given string, given variables. So uh, the first one is the first one is we use a to z or a to z or underscore. So in the given if you want to if you want to if you want uh, to print the given values LX 12 1.56 true. So if you want to print like this, you might be follow some rules to initialize the variable with a to z letter or underscore. So and don't use uh, don't don't use don't use some Python keywords like for loop and Python keywords like like for comma while like that we don't use these kind of keywords, and if also so these kind of keywords we don't use in as a variables so uh, so I will tell the example how the variables are initialized by using a to z and underscore. So uh, s- so print rules of initialize variables. Print rules to initialize variables. Print rules to initialize variables. If suppose I place score here, score equal to something 56 here I place, and player name underscore name. So score is the including is a type of a to z letter. So score is we use the score a to z. It is the kind of to initialize, and player name by using a underscore player name I will initialize as a some Virat Virat here, and like this also you're gonna have to initialize the total equal to some 100. So now I want to print this score here and print some player name here and print the total here. So now I will run this program right now. So there is a error in the 14th line. Yeah, it will be run right now. So if you see that the 56 is the score, and name of the player name is Virat, and the total is 100. So like that it will be printed. So and so next I will print this as a for better understand in the output program while we are executing the code. So that's why I will print these statements. Is these are not necessary, because a little bit of confusion while I am running the code. So that's why I am use this, not use not using variables or some example I will tell. So yeah, don't start with the uh, number. Don't start with the number like two player. So like that, this kind of variables never create. And don't for the minus little bit of hyphen here, so it shows as a module error while I am running. Don't put a like this minus here. My name, my name equal to v. Don't use class, because class is the keyword of the Python, so that's why. So uh, these are the some kind of variables don't use in the given Python programming. So the next one is recommended style. uh, recommend recommended style, player name, equal to 100. So in the most of the cases we are use underscore, because while you are running the program, most of the variables are uh, you observe that with a underscore variables, so that's why I put a underscore here. So it is the my recommended variable to use oftenly in while I am while we are running a program, or while we are executing a code. So these kind of uh, programs will be helpful to us. This kind of underscore will be helpful to us where oftenly do the program. So like that it will be print player name, player name. So changing variable, next one is changing variable into a value. Changing variable into a value, changing variable into a value. So lives lives equal to some 3 here. I'll put a 3 here. And right now I have to lives is lives is equal to 1, and print lives here. I will run this program right now. So you will observe the so a little bit of confusion in the output, so I will print here uh, changing variable value here. I will put as like this. So now I will run this program. So changing variable value is 2 because the lives is 3. If supposed to be I print lives here, it will be print as a 3, but I I modified this code lives minus equal to 1. So it is the kind of operator we will use. I will tell this kind of operators in the next videos. So like that you want to change your values. So by the way, it will be printed 3 here, but a little bit of modification in the code live minus equal to 1. So it will be reduce 1 from the given value, so that's why it will be printed as a output as a 2. So you will observe that 2 is the output changing variable value. So the original value is 3 and changing value is change the 3 to 2. So it will be reduce the value as a minus 1, 3 minus 1, and print as a 2. And after that multiplication multiplication variables. So uh, I will place here x equal to y equal to, and what's that, z equal to some 0 here. So all value have 0 0. A comma B comma C equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 here I will place. So these are the digit values. So print something A here, and after that print my B here. So I will run this program right now. So for better understanding, I will print here, add one statement here, print not a multiplication, multiple variable multiple multiple variable here. I will run this program right now. So the multiple variables are 10 comma 10 and 20. So in the before one we are handling with one variables, but in this case we are handling with multiple variables a b c. These are the multiple variables we are handle with these kind of variables in this case. And the next one is swapping the variables. Swapping the variables means is just interchanging the values of the given variables. So I will uh, swapping the values. So if supposed to be I place a equal to 5 here, and after that b equal to some 10 here, and a comma b equal to b comma a swap become a swap, print my a here, and print my b here. So now I will run this program right now. So you will observe that, sorry, I paste here. Swapping values, swapping values. So in the output, swapping values, the first one will be print as a 10 and the second one will be print as a 5. So I will initialize I was initialize the a equal to 5 and b equal to 10. So I will swap this particular program a comma b equal to b comma a. So it will be interchanging the values of a and b. So that's why I will print a here, and actually if you print a without interchanging, it will be directly print 5. But now I will swap this program, I will swap these values a comma b equal to b comma a. So that's why uh, I will print a, but it will be print as a output as a 10. So it is the value of b, it will be interchanging the values of the given. So and the b value is 5. So so it will be interchanging the values. The b value is 5 and a value is 10. So the the values will be changed from the positions of the values. I mean the positions of the values will be changed from a to b and b to a. So so like that it will be executed, and after that common data type common data type print type of type of a. So I will run this program, it will be print as an integer because a is a integer data type. So if suppose I will print here 10.5 here, and print type of b here, and I will run this program right now. So it will be take as a int and float. So like that it will be printed. So because of the interchanging, the type of the interchanging also changed, because I will print b, it will be give as an integer, and I will print a, it will be give as a float. You see the order of this one, float and integer, and it will the swapping values will be also changed. When I have to change into a float value, I will print b here and give a 10.5, and print a print a here and give as a 10.5, and print b here as a 5. So like that the variables are executed the given programming. So I hope that you understand this whole program. So thank you.